This is the BRAE BBQ Sneeze Guard Project by Maria Fletcher, Caden Hanson, Grant Peterson, and Ben Zanger.
The Sneeze Guard project was created to serve the BRAE BBQ crew for their weekly fundraiser, with the goal of creating guards that serve the dual function of protecting the salad bowls from wind and human contamination, while still allowing students to access the bowl with ease. It was time to replace the old guards, which were showing signs of wear in the cracked and scratched plexiglass and were unwieldy to set up, transport, and store.
First, we used the bandsaw to cut 1/16 inch thick stainless steel tubing. That was cut into 4 30-inch long pieces, 8 20-inch pieces, and 8 13-inch pieces to make the frame of the sneeze guards. All of these pieces were cut at a 45-degree angle so that the pieces would properly fit together. Stainless steel was chosen over steel due to worries of rusting, and aluminum, which would have been harder to weld. The plexiglass is a more durable material that would hold up long term and be less likely to crack and chip. The metal was deburred and beveled on belt sander to prep each piece of tubing before they were welded together.
The TIG welder was used to weld the stainless steel pieces together to make the frame, forming a rectangular box shape but without a bottom perimeter. Additional tubing was also secured higher up on the sides of the guards to make shorter panels than previously used, which helped to further eliminate extraneous weight.
The new design is similar to the old one, utilizing miter joints which allowed for all the ends of the tubing to be closed, which maintains food safety. Rectangular pieces were cut and deburred with a sander to form the tube endings.
The stainless steel hinges were added to enable the legs to fold in and out easily during setup, which was one of the original problems with the old guards. And the sections of the frame were put together using the hinges.
Stainless steel rod handles were also added to the side of the guards, making them easier to carry and allowing for optional hanging storage, rather than taking up space on the shelves of the barbecue shed.
Threaded stud bumpers on the bottom are adjustable to help keep the guards level and prevent scratching on the table. Six pieces of plexiglass were cut to the correct size to use on each section of the sneeze guard. Self-tapping screws with rubber washers were used to screw the plexiglass into the stainless steel frames.
After thoughtful research and design, the new sneeze guards are more effective than the last guards, maintaining food safety while using less material. The product is ultimately lighter and more accessible, replacing guards that were in need of repair.